As soon as you go more near, these half concentric circles becomes full concentric circles over here. You can see over here. Now, important thing that you need to understand is, Jai Mata Di. This is my new weapon which I've got, and it is called SART, Search and Rescue Radar Transponder. I don't use this to hit people on board ship. This is one of the most safety conscious equipment that we use on board ship. And what is it? Importance is, suppose you are in distress and there is no way that you can call people or for help, for assistance nearby. So this is a radar transponder. What it does is, once you activate this radar transponder, and how do you do that? You have to break this seal, bring this down, and then you have to rotate it this side over here. Once that is done, for 96 hours it is on standby. It's the battery life is 96 hours on standby and 8 hours in running mode. What happens is, when you keep it like this, any ship nearby or any helicopter something which has got a radar fitted, if it is in the range of 5 to 7 nautical miles, then in that case on the radar they can see 12 beeps like this. Come on, I'll show you in the manual over here. So in case on your radar you will see this in this radar. So on your radar you will see these 12 beeps like this over here, in which the first beep over here is the point where the SART is located, that is the vessel which is in distress. As soon as you try to go near the vessel, the beeps are going to come like half concentric circles over here. This indicates that you are going near to the vessel over there. As soon as you go more near, these half concentric circles becomes full concentric circles over here. You can see over here. Now, important thing that you need to understand is that in a life raft or in a life buoy, you have to ensure that this SART is fitted outside and at the maximum height possible. The height is the more distance that this radar transponder can cover. Say, if you are keeping it a distance of 5 meters, then it can go by up to maximum 5 to 7 nautical miles, this range can go. But if you are keeping it at a height of 15 meters, then it can go up to 15 nautical miles. This radar transponder can work. Now I'll just show you an example. Come guys. Now on board ship we have two radars, that is S-band and X-band. This is the X-band radar, that is a 3 centimeter radar on which you will see the beeps coming. Beep, 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 beep. 12 beeps will be there. That means this is a SART signal coming, that means some vessel is in distress. As you try to go near to that vessel, those beeps are going to come half concentric circle, arc like circles. Then as you go more nearer, those are going to become concentric circles, and center of those concentric circles will be the presence of this SART over there. That is, you guys need to understand. We carry this SART along with us whenever we are evacuating the ship and going on our lifeboat as well. These SARTs are normally kept on the bridge banks. This SART is basically kept on the sides of the bridge over here and in a position like this. So as soon as the last person is evacuating the bridge for the lifeboat so that we can leave the vessel, we are going to carry this SART along with us. That's what is very, very important, we need to follow. Jai Mata.